guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 4 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem 2491. Divide players into teams of equal skill. Okay, so this is of medium level, but I'm going to say that this problem is actually very easy. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given a positive integer array skill of even length n, where skill of I denotes the skill of the ith player. We have to divide the players into n by 2 teams of size 2 such that the total skill of each team is equal. Okay, clear? The chemistry of a team is equal to the product of the skills of the players on that particular team. We have to return the sum of the chemistry of all the teams or return -1 if there is no way to divide the players into teams such that the total skill of each team is equal. Okay, so let's understand this problem with example. Okay, with example you will get much clear idea, and after this explanation of this example, you guys will be able to solve this problem on your own. Okay, so see here, these are the skills array given to us, right? So first here what we need to do, we need to form the group of 2 people in a particular team. So right now, what is the total value of n in this case? 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 players. Okay, so we need to form how many teams? Okay, n is equal to 6. We need to form n by 2 teams, right? It simply means that we have to form 3 teams, right? And now after forming all the three teams, here see summation of this, just take this explanation here. 1 plus 5 is sum is 6, 2 4 sum is 6, 3 3 sum is 6. Okay, this is how we are creating the teams, right? Divide the players into n by 2 teams of size 2 such that total skill of each team is equal. So total skill here 6, total skill here 6, and total skill here 6, right? This is how we need to divide, right? And after that, once we get this, we have to just simply do the multiplication of these chemistries, 1 into 5, and then summation of this 2 into 4, then here summation with 3 into 3, and in the end total chemistry we are getting here is 22. The sum of chemistry of all the teams is 22. So this is my output. Okay, now how we are going to do this? Okay, this is the first question. Okay, so here are skills. Okay, these are the skills of all the players given to us, right? So let's do the summation of all the skills. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. Okay, so here 18 is the total, right? 18 is the total here. Okay, and this 18 is the total for 6 players, right? This 18, and I need to form total how many teams? 3 teams, right? I have to form total 3 teams, right? So here what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to divide this 18, okay, total with this 3, because I need to form the total 3 teams, right? So what is the result that I'm going to get? 3 divided by 18, I will get 6. This 6 is simple nothing but the total chemistry that I need in each team, right? So 1 plus 5 here 6, 2 plus 4 here 6, 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so here total chemistry is 18, and this is for 6 players, but I don't need for 6, I need for a particular team. Okay, I have to form the set of 2 people, right? So if I just divide this with the 2, I will get 3. Okay, now for these 3 teams I need to check the total chemistry that I need to divide. Okay, total chemistry dividing with the 3 teams. Okay, so in each team there are 2 players obviously, right? So 3, okay, here I'm dividing 18 with 3, I will get 6. So this 6 is nothing but the total chemistry for all the teams. Okay, so this is first step you need to do in your code. Okay, once this is done, okay, now what you can do here, so we have to form the pairing, right? So can I do one thing here? Can I just simply sort it? Okay, so I can sort it, right? Because if I need a total summation is 6, okay, and I sort it, so here after sorting how it is going to look like, 1, then 2, then there are total 2 3s, and then there is 1 4, and there is 1 5. Okay, now after sorting I need this sum, so definitely this 6 I will always get with the smaller and the largest element first. Okay, so if I do the summation, I didn't get 6, let's say I didn't get 6 here, then simply return -1 now. If you get 6 here, then simply form one group. Okay, just do the multiplication of these two, 1 into 5, and proceed next. Okay, so I will take 2 pointers, my left initially here, right here. I will take the summation of these 1 plus 5, it is 6. Okay, so this is perfect, this is a 6 that I need. Okay, if it is 6, do the multiplication of these 1 into 5, and then let's proceed further. Then let's move this left to this one and decrement the right. Okay, right is moved to this position. Then again check here 2 and 4. So 2 4 summation is 6, so just do the multiplication here, 2 into 4, and let's proceed further. Now my left reaches here and my right reaches here. So again 3 plus 3 is 6, so do the multiplication, 3 into 3. Okay, left here, right here. Then after that again my left is going to move next position and right is going to move to this position. Okay, I will stop here. I will only run this L and R until my left is less than R. Okay, so I am using 2 pointers approach here. So in the end, just do the here find the value of this. 1 into 5 is 5, plus 2 into 4 is 8, and 8 plus 9. Okay, here 8 9 17, 17 plus 5 22. Okay, 22 is going to be my output. Okay, simple, right? Now you can pause this video and write the code. Okay, I am moving to the coding part now. So here what we need to do first, let's calculate the total number of players. Int n is equal to skill dot length. Okay, how many teams I need? Okay, so int teams is equal to n divided by 2, right? So this is going to be teams. Okay, so now let's create one long sum is equal to 0. I will just find the total sum. Okay, total sum. So let's iterate over all the skills one by one. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, sum is equal to sum plus skill of I. Okay, so I will calculate the total sum. Okay, once this is done, then let's create one more variable long each sum. Okay, so how much sum I need for each team, from each team. So here I'm just going to divide this sum with my number of teams. Okay, that's it. So this is done. Now after that I'm just sorting this arrays dot sort and skill. What I'm sorting? I'm sorting this skill array. Okay, this is done. Then take 2 pointers. Int left is pointing to 0 index, and my right is going to point to the n minus 1 index, right? And now let's run one while loop while my left is less than my right. Okay, so in here inside this, what I need to check first, here I will take one variable long cur sum. Okay, I'm just checking the current sum. Okay, so this is nothing but my skill of left plus skill of right. Okay, so here I will just check if my cur sum is not equal to the each sum that I need. Okay, so if that is the case, okay, then in that case we have to simply return -1. Okay, and in the else part, if this is the case, go to the else part, and in the else part I am just going to update one result. Okay, so let's create one result variable here, long result. Okay, and set it to 0 initially. So here I am just going to update my result. So result is going to be nothing but result is equal to result plus, here just copy this. Now we need the multiplication of this one, right? So paste it here and do this. Okay, this is done. So we need to just do the simple multiplication of this one, right? So this is done here, right? And after that just increment my left and decrement my right. That's it. Okay, so this is done, and in the end just return result. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be, here it is, I'm running for n times, and in this step I am doing the sorting. Okay, so here time complexity is going to be of n log n, and then here also I am iterating over all the elements just one time, right? So overall time complexity is going to be dominated by this step, arrays.sort skill. So I'm going to say that time complexity for this problem is going to be O of n log n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.